So good morning friends. In my previous class I discussed about mental retardation and up to the classification of mental retardation. In this class I will tell the etiology, means the causes of mental retardation. So mental retardation is a condition which is caused not only by biological factors but also by psychological factors, and the main causes are cerebral palsy, Down syndrome and autosomal recessive disorder. So these are the causes of mental retardation in child. Next, coming to the diagnosis part. The diagnosis made by the steps. First one is history taking, second one is general physical examination, third one is detailed neurological examination, fourth one mental status examination for the assessment of associated psychiatric disorder and the clinical assessment of the level of intelligence. Number 5 is investigation. Under investigation there are routine investigation. Second one is urine test for phenylketonuria, maple syrup urine disease. Third one is EEG of brain, we all know. Next, coming to blood level for inborn errors of metabolism. If any metabolic error is present or not, this is also tested. Next, coming to chromosomal studies. CT scan or MRI scan of brain. In CT scan and MRI scan of brain, in tuberous sclerosis is present or not, that is seen. Focal seizures, unexplained neurological syndrome, abnormalities of skull configuration is tested. Next, coming to thyroid function test, particularly when cretinism is suspected. Next, coming to liver function test. These are the investigation. Next, coming to psychological test. The commonly used test for measurement of intelligence include the Seguin from board test, Vatia battery of performance test. This is the one of most important under psychological test. The test used for the assessment of adaptive behavior. Okay. Next, coming to the management part of mental retardation. The management of mental retardation can be discussed under primary, secondary and tertiary level. So first one is primary level. This consists of improvement in socio-economic condition, education of lay public. Number 3 is medical measure for good perinatal medical care. Perinatal means when the particular baby is in the mother's womb, that time proper care should be given to the mother and the child, or the mother and the fetus. Next, coming to the universal immunization of children with BCG, polio, DPT and MMR. And lastly, the genetic counseling in at-risk parent, that is in phenylketonuria and Down syndrome. Next, coming to the secondary level of prevention. Under secondary level of prevention, early detection and treatment of preventable disorder like phenylketonuria, early detection of handicaps in sensory, motor or behavior area, means if there is any growth or developmental problem, we have to diagnose it very early, and treatment also have to be provided. Number 3 is early treatment of correlated disorder. Number 4 is early recognition of presence of mental retardation. We have to early recognize if any mental retardation of the particular child is present or not. Next, coming to the tertiary level of prevention. In the tertiary level of prevention, we do behavior modification, rehabilitation in vocational aspect, means physical, social and social areas, Next, coming to the parental counseling is extremely important to lessen the level of stress, teaching them to adapt the situation, enlisting them as co-therapists and encouraging formation of parents organization and self-help group. Next, coming to institutionalization or residential care may be needed for individual with profound mental retardation. Profound mental retardation is the severe form of mental retardation. Here, institutionalized care also have to be provided to the particular child. And lastly, coming to the legislation. These are the tertiary level of prevention. So here I am completing the total topic of mental retardation, and I have discussed about the mental retardation, the classification of mental retardation, etiology of mental retardation, and the management part in primary, secondary and tertiary level. Thank you. Please follow my next class for the next new topic.